Today we're unboxing two very special mystery boxes. They're not like any other mystery boxes. This comes from a very popular city within China. It's called Putian. And they are infamous, notoriously famous for creating counterfeit sneaker mystery boxes. And potentially fake. They are fake. So keep watching because in the next episode we will get the most expensive counterfeit mystery box from Putian to know what's going to be in there. They claim that it is so identical to the real thing that you will not be able to tell the difference at all. For all you sneakerheads out there, let's see if you can tell the difference or not. Alright, so this one is the $10 version. This is the $15 version. Right off the bat, it tells you what's in there. Nike Air Force One. Fitted up, but one detail is very cool. Poisonous is actually the biggest Chinese trading app on which people who are really into shoes want to buy maybe limited versions. They go on there, send their shoes, and then Poisonous is the app that certifies that it's an authentic shoe. What did they do? They created a fake Poisonous certification. So not only did they create fake shoes, but they really went far. I mean, you guys, this is so entertaining to me. So here's a certification to say, yes, these are real Nikes. If someone were to ever question you, you can show them this. Secondly, they have some receipts for you. They have a fake Nike receipt with a fake address, which honestly, like, if I didn't know much about sneakers, right, I would think like, yeah, it's real. Now it's time to bring out the shoes. Wowzers, look at this. So they smell so fake. Do you know what a fake shoe smells like? Like this. To be honest, for $10, if it didn't try to fake the Nike's logo, I would say that it's not too bad. I mean, you know, this is pretty, like, this is sturdy. They also don't bend. And then the threading is like pretty clean. Let's see if I can. Wow, so the sole is actually pretty strongly glued in. And then it has a little Air Jordan symbol. So now let's bring on the bad boy, which is $5 more. Could this be any more real than this guy? Will they give us authentication? We don't know. Let's see. Woo! This only just gives us 2 pair of shoes. Where's our certificate? No certificate? Unbelievable. Honestly, smells a little bit better than this guy, but the details on this are to die for. First of all, they made the Nike logo. They said, okay, we're gonna give you Nike shoes. What happened? They're like, damn, we don't want Nike to sue us, so let's make it very similar, but also kinda not. I am the one, the way your son don't need a gun to get. Let's look at the, oh my god, it's missing a sole. There's, they just reused it from like an old granny shoe.
It says NKE.
It's missing an eye. Well, I couldn't expect anything more. They didn't even give me a sole. So I tried them on. And they feel just as awful as they look. Feels like I'm walking on the floor. The sole does absolutely nothing. Would we recommend buying these? Please don't. What are we doing? We are cutting these shoes open. Wow. Are they really that cheap that they're just gonna come undone with one cut? No, they're not that cheap. I think we're gonna have to go like in quite a bit. This is why it feels like I'm walking on the floor. Look at the thinness of this sole. It's barely a sole. Well, there is that. So this is the top part, and the inside is just this. I don't know how they can call this a shoe. The sole is pretty sturdy, I'll say. But the inside is a literal joke. Let's see how long this one takes to cut open. this just came undone like no tomorrow.
What did I say? Oh, it says air shoes here.
Yeah. So this is the top of this guy here. Did you just see that? I literally... Look at that. I literally just cut open the sole just like that. So, $10 to $15 mystery box shoes from Putian? No, absolutely not. Can you be mad about it? No, because you only paid $10, $15. What did you expect? Real Nikes? I mean, you can't really say anything to them. You can say, hey, like, what? You tricked me. They're like, are you stupid? I mean, we're pretty positive that once we get something that's a little bit more expensive, that we will get something that's worth the money. We do believe in the people of Putian. You guys can do better.